Hello everyone, this is Raymond Silva and Ricky Marshall. We are going to explain about the topic Lean Six Sigma, which is an important management approach used by organizations to improve their performance, quality, and efficiency. Lean Six Sigma is basically a combination of two methods, Lean and Six Sigma. Both of these methods focus on improving process in an organization, but they focus on different aspects. First, let us understand Lean. Lean mainly focus on eliminating waste and unnecessary activities in a process. In many organizations, time and resource are wasted because of inefficiency processes. Lean helps to identify those waste and remove them so that the work can be done faster and more efficiently. For example, imagine a school office process where a teacher submits a leave application. If the application has to pass through many unnecessary approvals and people have to wait for a long period, it creates delay. Lean helps to simplify the process so that the application can be approved quickly without unnecessary steps. Lean also identifies different types of waste in organization. First, waiting time, which means delays between different steps in process. For instance, if a student are waiting a long time to receive their certificate due to slow administrative work, that is considered waste. Second, unnecessary movement. This happens when employees move around more than required to complete their task. For example, if a teacher has to go to multiple departments just to submit one document, it wastes time and effort. Then overproduction is another type of waste. This means producing more than what customers actually need. For example, printing too many copies of reports that may not even be used. There can be also be defects, which are errors that requires correction. For instance, mistakes in student records that must be re-entered again. Finally, excessive inventory means storing more material than necessary, such as keeping too many unused office supplies. By removing these types of waste, organization can improve productivity and reduce costs. The first topic we are going to explain is the principle of Lean Six Sigma. Focus on the customer. The first principle is to focus on customer needs and satisfaction. In manufacturing, this means producing products that meet customers' expectation in terms of quality, cost, and delivery time. Example, a car manufacturing company ensures that vehicles are safe, fuel, and delivery on time because customers expect reliability and performance. Second, understand how work is done. This principle means analyzing the entire production process step by step. By understanding how work flows, companies can identify delays and inefficiency. Example, in a textile factory, managers study how raw cotton moves from spinning to weaving to finishing. This helps them identifying where time is wasted. Third, identify the root cause of problems. Instead of solving surface level issues, this principle focuses on finding the real cause of the problem. Example, if defective products are increasing in an electronic factory, the root cause might be a fault machine or untrained workers, not just poor output. Remote waste on non-value adding steps. Lean focus on eliminating activities that do not add value to the product. Example, in furniture manufacturing unit, unnecessary movements of materials between department is reduced by rearranging the layout, saving time and cost.
Reduce defect by removing variation. Six Sigma focus on continuous in process to reduce error. Example, in a bottle plant, if a bottle filling level vary, some bottles may be unfilled or overfilled. Standardizing the filling process ensure consistency output. Communication and collaboration with your team. Teamworks and communication are very important and improvement. Example, in an automobile factory, workers, supervisor, and engineering regularly discuss products and issue suggest to improve together. Be flexible and use data to drive change. Organization must be open to change and use data to make decision. Example, a manufacturing industry collect data and the machine performance. If data shows frequently breakdown, they introduce, prevent, maintain to avoid future issues. Now let us look at Six Sigma. Six Sigma mainly focus on reduce defects, errors, and variation in process. It's used data to satisfy analysis to identify the problems, improve quality. For example, in a school examination system, if there are frequently mistake in marks entry, Six Sigma method can be used to analyze the data, find the root cause of the problems, and implement improvements so that errors are minimized. Six Sigma focus on several key steps such as identify the process, problems, collect,
and analyze data, understand the root cause of defects, improve the process performance, maintaining consistency quality.
Benefits of Lean Six Sigma: improve quality, reduce waste and cost, increase customer satisfaction, improve employee productivity, support better decision making. Overall, Lean Six Sigma helps organization achieve operational excellence and continuous improvement. Thank you.